Our journey begins at the place of the Sermon on the Mount, nestled on a gentle hillside overlooking the Sea of Galilee. This sacred site is believed to be where Jesus delivered the Beatitudes, profound teachings that have echoed through history as a guide for living a life of humility, compassion, and faith. Surrounded by lush gardens and the tranquil beauty of nature, it's a place of reflection and peace, inviting visitors to connect deeply with the spiritual significance of this moment in Jesus' ministry. From the serenity of the mount, we delve into the verdant landscapes of Banias National Park, also known as Caesarea Philippi in ancient times. This stunning nature reserve, located at the source of the Jordan River, is a blend of historical and natural marvels. We wander through dense vegetation, listening to the sound of cascading waterfalls, and marvel at archaeological remnants, including a temple dedicated to the Greek god Pan. Banias was once a bustling Roman city, and its history intertwines with its breathtaking natural beauty, creating a site that's as enriching as it is picturesque. Next, we visit the Sea of Galilee, a place rich with biblical stories and a serene atmosphere that feels timeless. Our boat trip offers a unique perspective of these storied waters surrounded by rolling hills and distant villages. The Sea of Galilee is where Jesus performed many miracles, including calming the storm and feeding the 5,000. The gentle waves and the cool breeze create a moment of introspection as we imagine the lives of fishermen and disciples who lived and worked here, shaping the foundations of Christianity.
Foi aqui, mas porque Deus nos fez pequeno mesmo. Ele transforma coisa pequena em coisa grande.
Our journey brings us to the sacred Jordan River, a site steeped in profound religious significance. It's here that John the Baptist baptized Jesus, marking the beginning of his public ministry. Pilgrims from all over the world come to immerse themselves in these waters, seeking spiritual renewal and connection. As we stand by the river's edge, the atmosphere is imbued with reverence and tranquility. The gentle current and the surrounding greenery make it a serene location for prayer and reflection, adding to its timeless spiritual allure. In the small town of Cana, we visit the wedding church, thought by many to be the site of Jesus' first miracle. According to the Gospel of John, it was here that Jesus transformed water into wine during a wedding feast, symbolizing the joy and abundance of his ministry. The church itself is simple yet beautiful, with intricate mosaics and peaceful courtyards. Visitors often come to renew their marriage vows here, adding a personal and meaningful touch to their pilgrimage. It's a place that celebrates love, faith, and the divine mysteries of life.
Então, aqui temos os restos da cidade da época de Jesus e pouco posterior, ok? Bem importantes e fortes as paredes, estão vendo?
והתפוחים בסמוך,
também ao lado temos uma pomar,
ובטח גם את הגפנים מעלינו.
também essa videira aqui onde está cuidar da pomar.
עכשיו הגפנים אנחנו משאירים 3 או ענפים מאוד מאוד קצרים.
Em qualquer videira nós deixamos ramos pequeninos.
Stepping into Nazareth Village feels like traveling back in time to the days of Jesus. This open-air museum recreates life in a first-century Galilean village, complete with stone houses, olive presses, and costume actors who demonstrate daily activities such as weaving and farming. As we walk through the village, we gain a deeper understanding of the world Jesus grew up in, the sights, sounds, and rhythms of life that shaped his teachings. It's an educational and immersive experience, bridging the gap between history and faith. Mount Carmel, a site of both natural beauty and spiritual significance, offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Known for its biblical association with the prophet Elijah, this mountain was the setting for his dramatic confrontation with the prophets of Baal, where he called down fire from heaven to prove the power of God. The lush greenery and fertile soil make Mount Carmel a hub for vineyards and agriculture, and its proximity to the Mediterranean provides a refreshing coastal breeze. Standing here, one can't help but feel the weight of its historical and biblical importance. Vocês vão parecer que eu tô voando vocês num drone, pegando vocês para dar tchau. Our final stop in this journey brings us to the majestic Masada National Park. Perched atop a rugged mountain in the Judean desert, Masada is a place of immense historical and cultural significance. Known as the site of one of the last strongholds of Jewish rebels against the Roman Empire, the ascent offers breathtaking views of the desert expanse with the Dead Sea shimmering on the horizon. As we reach the summit, the ancient walls and pathways begin to tell their stories, inviting us to imagine the lives of those who once inhabited this fortress. This marks the perfect point to pause and reflect before continuing our journey to the next adventure.